over 40 years, the Ancra name has been synonymous with quality engineered products. Our focus is on our customers. We're committed to finding creative solutions which deliver real competitive advantages. We understand the demands of today's challenging trucking industry. If you can maximize the productivity of every trailer, you can maximize profits. Real-world solutions have to be economical, secure, safe, and efficient. That's what we took to the drawing board, and that's what we've delivered, another Ancra quality product. Raise your load average, raise your profits with a patented Lift-A-Deck 2 decking system. Are you currently using Series E beams to deck? Is your company losing Series E beams? Are you wondering why your company continually has to buy more? The Lift-A-Deck 2 is the solution for you. The Lift-A-Deck 2 is installed directly into the trailer, eliminating the need to search for Series E decking beams on your loading dock or throughout your terminal network. No more decking beams left on your customer's loading dock. Having the decking system already installed in your trailer vastly reduces the time and effort lost while building traditional load decks. Now you have the flexibility to load freight safely and securely, plus increase load average, reduce claims, and provide superior customer service. The Lift-A-Deck 2 has delivered results for fleets throughout the transportation industry, and we're confident that our decking system will stand up to your demands under any conditions. The Ancra Lift-A-Deck 2 is a decking system with a series of integrated, adjustable height deck beams spaced throughout the trailer, which can be used to customize load decks. The decking system is made from a series of double and single row tracks positioned throughout the trailer. In this demonstration, the trailer is equipped with a Lift-A-Deck system utilizing a single and double track system installed on 16-inch centers. On the system tracks are a series of adjustable height deck beams. These deck beams are used to construct freight decks at any height in 1-inch increments. When not in use, the deck beams are secured in the storage slot located at the roof of the trailer. On each end of the deck beam, a simple secure foot assembly locks the beam at the desired height. Each foot assembly has 2 locking lugs. The second lug provides additional assurance that the beam is securely locked in the track. For added durability, the foot assembly has a widely distributed anchor point. This prevents the beam from jamming in the track if hit from the side by a forklift. Both the system track and beam foot assemblies are precision machined to provide smooth sliding beams for years to come. No lubrication is required on either the system track or foot assemblies. Beam stops are installed on the tracking to prevent the beams from being easily removed. A deck beam release bar is required to disengage the deck beam's foot assembly so that it can be raised or lowered. In addition to the components installed in the trailer, Ancra offers a variety of cargo straps, which are used to prevent the freight from shifting during transit or to secure it directly to the trailer. Ancra Lift-A-Deck straps lock into the tracking, giving you the flexibility to position them along the track at the necessary height. While freight can be loaded directly onto the deck beams, the decking system also accommodates the use of full or half sheets of plywood. This makes the freight pallet easier to load and unload and also helps protect the deck beams from damage. The Ancra Lift-A-Deck 2 decking system is designed to make the construction of load decks safe, fast, and convenient. Unlike prefabricated load decks, the Lift-A-Deck 2 can be used to make load decks at various heights throughout the trailer. Each deck beam has a working load limit of 2,200 pounds for a standard duty beam or 3,000 pounds for a heavy duty beam. However, due to the dynamic forces exerted on the beams during transit, Ancra recommends loads on the standard duty beams should not exceed 550 pounds per beam, and loads on heavy duty beams should not exceed 750 pounds per beam. In this video, we're using 4 heavy-duty beams to form a deck, so the maximum amount of weight per deck would be 3,000 pounds. As you can see, the Ancra Lift-A-Deck 2 decking system provides many options for loading a trailer. Because of the ability to make load decks at multiple heights, many freight configurations which were once a hindrance may now be progressively loaded. Once you start using the Lift-A-Deck 2 decking system, you'll quickly understand why it's the most popular and well-respected decking system with the major LTL and full truckload companies. Drivers love the strength, flexibility, and ease of operation. Maintenance personnel love the reliability and the small amount of maintenance required to keep the deck systems performing. Owners love the increased load average, reduced damage claims, low maintenance costs, and quick return on investment. And customers love the peace of mind knowing their freight will be moved safely and securely. Still not sure if the Lift-A-Deck 2 is right for your fleet? Then try our proven 3 Steps to Increase Profits program. Ancra will assist your company to evaluate how a deck system will bring benefit and value to your fleet. We'll run tests to collect data. The data tells you, the fleet owner, which deck system is best for your application. And finally, Ancra Deck System specialists will work directly with your company to make certain your operators are trained to operate the deck system and load trailers correctly. This ensures you receive the maximum loading efficiencies and return on investment from the Lift-A-Deck 2 system. So what are you waiting for? Raise your load average, raise your profits, and deliver results with the Ancra Lift-A-Deck 2 decking system.